Hey everyone. Okay, so I had promised that I was going to share my new planner for 2021. This one was very intimidating for me in the beginning, but the more that I'm filling it out, the more that I'm loving it. So I just wanted to share it with you. So it came in a box. I got a kit. Um and the planner's Horacio printing. So the kit comes in this box. I already opened it. But I want to show what's in it. All right, so you get these little flyers, you get a coupon, and then you get your save the date, because there was a summit and we did it this weekend and it was so good. So you get that. Then you get 4 washi tapes, and these are so pretty. So these have the XO. This says the best is yet to come. These are just little gold, like little confetti things, and then these are so pretty. The black with the roses. All right, so let me put this on the side. Then they also have stickers. These are their stickers. I didn't open these. I have so many Happy Planner stickers, but might be a little bit challenging to work with the stickers on this planner, but I am up for that challenge and I'm excited to try it. So these are the stickers. I love the gold and the black. You are loved. I get to, praise hands, refresh. Super cute, the little tabs. A lot of you are loved, because we need to be reminded that we are loved. He's got this. Yes, the cross and the heart. And then we have it is well, home, no other name, grace to grace. These little palm trees, a road trip, date night. These are super cute. And they're more on the neutral tones. So you get these 4 sticker sheets. Then you get these pads, these paper pads. And so it's a new day. You put your top 3 things that you need to get done on this day. Then you can break it up into morning, noon, and night. And then any notes. So you have room obviously to do it on your planner, but if you need more, and I usually like these because I can add, like, I don't know, I like to do these the day before, and then if anything changes, I can just do it on my planner the date of. This is nice. And then you have this. You've got this, which is a pad of note paper. And you also get 2 pens. My black one, I was using it, and it's in the living room. But I love how it writes. The other pen is black, and it says the best is yet to come, but it's similar to this. And then, of course, the planner. And it came in this bag. This is so cute. The best is yet to come. Horacio printing. And so I got I wonder what you call this binding. I forget. But anyways, it doesn't have like the spiral thing. Spiral thing. Oh my god, that doesn't even sound right. All right, so this is the planner. It has like a leather finish, so it feels really nice in your hands. It's compact, so you can take it with you and travel with it. So the first page, you write your name, this year belongs to, and then it has a verse. She put a lot of verses in this, and I love that. You have your welcome page. All right, so then this is all me. So this one is the bucket page, the bucket list page, and it's just a plain paper. I wrote everything down on these Post-its. I should have taken this before, sorry. I wrote everything down in these Post-its because I want to be able to be creative in this Bible as well. So this Bible, it is very neutral. It is very functional. So like there's a spot for everything. You'll see. So dream planning. Your life is your compass. Your compass. I can't even talk. Your life is your canvas. I'm sorry, guys. Okay, so yeah, so this is where you would write everything that you've ever dreamed of doing. Literally, even things that you're probably like, this is so dumb, I shouldn't write it. They want you to write everything down, all your dreams, no matter how little, no matter how big. 1 year, 3 years, 10 year, whatever, just write it here. So then we go into this. Who do I want to become? So this is your personal growth. I love this. In the beginning, like I said, it was very intimidating, but when they broke it down on the weekend, they gave you examples of how to use it and how to not make it bigger than what it is. Sometimes, like spirituality could be spend 5 minutes with God, you know, physical, drink more water. So it gives you room here to shade in. Well, this one you shade in where you are now in each one. So there's spiritually, physically, relationally, professionally, financially, and personally. So I did this one here, and then I fill these out. I'm going to show you the printable because there is a printable they give you too when you do the summit. And then here you write down everything you want in this department. Then here, what is the one thing I can do and make time for each day? And it gives you the categories. After you do this, you look, okay, so if I need to drink more water, what can I do? You know, just make sure it's always cold or in the fridge, like stuff like that. Very practical. Then the next steps. So then here it will give you, it's I guess the same thing as before, just giving you actions to each one. What can you do to make these things happen every week, like, and or every month, whatever works for you. Then this is the top 3 bold dreams for this year. And I really love this because honestly, like, I didn't realize how much I don't dream. I don't think about things that I want. I always think about, okay, what do I need to do? So this gave me room to just dream and think about things that maybe I thought were impossible, but now they seem a little bit more doable. So I love that. So then we have the refocus cloud. Where does your time go? And it will be a really long video if I watch all of it. Read everything. So this refocus, get back to what really matters. So this you'll fill out, I guess this way, out your passions. What are your passions? What are your focuses? Distractions, obligations. So like your bills, what do you want to do? What are you focusing on right now? And what is keeping you from doing all of that? Then we have the generosity check. I love this. This says, who am I encouraging and praying for this season for the 3 months? So you do this check every 3 months. I love this. Who and what am I making more time for this season? What am I budgeting for this season? Then my heart check. And like I said, look, she has verses on top of everything. So then the heart check, let's reflect inward to start the season with a renewed heart. God is a healer. He goes before you in all things and wants to cast out your fears so you can live boldly. So what do I need to let go of in 2020? What do I need to forgive? Who do I need to forgive in 2020? What fears are holding me back? This was really good, guys. So then this part is there's no fear in love. So here you have 5 fears. She wants you to write down what are 5 fears that just keep you from the promises God has for us. And then after you write them down, you find a verse to replace that fear with. And then here it says, rise up and be radiant. You have a catch-all calendar here for 2021. Then we have the winter season. So it's a new season. They have a prayer I am believing for the next 3 months. Now here is the monthly overview. I don't normally use this one now. And for me, it's not a big deal that the boxes are not that big. So I'm looking forward to just getting creative in this and adding some color. It has verses up at the top. What else? Oh my God. then this is the weekly. So with this one, it is a lot smaller than the Happy Planner, but honestly, like, I didn't need all of that Happy Planner space. So I think that this is gonna work out just fine for me. I just want to be more functional in 2021, but I want to also challenge myself to be creative in it, because I do like opening up a pretty planner. That is what catches my eye. That is how I remember things. So you have your to-do list, you have the week highlighted here, you have weekly intentions. This is a dot grid. I don't know if you can see that. And like I said, I'm sorry about the lighting. I will get better. All right, so then every week has a new verse in it. So that's pretty much. Then you have a notes and you have a praise report area. Again, more verses. So I'm really, really excited to just add color, to be honest. I love that it's such a neutral vibe, because I get to make it what I want it to look like. And then, like I said, so you do the monthly, you're going to do that heart check every 3 months. So every quarter. So this is the spring season. And then it's a new season or prayer I'm believing for. Again, you're going to fill everything out again. Generosity, heart check. And then the monthly view. So I hope I did a good job in explaining it. But I am very excited to just venture off and try something new and just be more intentional with my time and what I'm spending my time doing. I want to make sure that everything I do is adding value to our lives. We have note sections here. So yeah, just stay tuned. I am opening up not opening, it was never closed, but I do have a YouTube channel. I'm going to share it on here. I guess this is going to be a YouTube video. I'm not sure if it's going to be a YouTube video or an IG live, because I think it's pretty long. But thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in looking into this company, it's the Horacio Printing Planner. And they also do have coil bound. They have a white coil bound planner. So this is not the only option. I will tag their page so that you can go ahead and click on that link. No, I am not affiliated yet. Maybe one day. But yeah, I'm just excited. So stay tuned. And I will see you guys later. Thanks for watching.